Hey guys, it's Heather here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about my journey to lose 70 pounds with a little bit of lifestyle peppered in between. Today's video is a Sunday setup routine. This is what I do every Sunday to prep for a successful week of weight loss. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, I've got a quick little Trader Joe's haul here for you. I am going to be making some asparagus salad. So I got some asparagus, some radishes. I got my shots for the week. I only needed a few because I still have some left. Some mixed veggies. I'm going to grill these for just side dishes throughout the week. Some carrots and Persian cucumbers for the salad and for snacks throughout the week. Fire roasted red peppers, garbanzo beans, black olives. I got one chicken tikka masala for the one day I go into the office this week. Cherry tomatoes, some feta cheese, chives, thyme. I got some of this jalapeno limeade. This stuff is so good and I love it when it comes in to Trader Joe's when it's in season. I got two of these brown sugar oat creamers. These are amazing. So I got two of those. I got some avocados, some red onion, some lemon, mini bell peppers. I got 2 containers of cottage cheese. I'm really gonna work on getting that protein in this week. I'm gonna do some grilling today. I got some of this pesto chicken breast and I haven't tried this yet. It's the sesame teriyaki beef skirt steak. I got 2 containers of egg whites and then some sourdough bread I'm gonna have for breakfasts and also for like toasted sandwiches throughout the week. All right, so I put all the groceries away and now I have a list of things that I need to make for meal prep. It's a pretty simple meal prep this week. I need to make that chopped asparagus salad and then I'm just gonna grill the meat and the veggies. Okay, so I am getting ready to make the asparagus salad. I have all my ingredients out here. I got the recipe off of Pinterest and I will leave that linked in the description box if you want to give it a try. So I'm just going to get all of the veggies ready to rinse off, get a bowl, and then we'll just make the salad here quick. So this is how I measure out veggies. I will put it on the scale and as I take it out it'll tell me how many grams I have. So I just do that to measure the veggies so that my recipes are accurate.
Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow with me, you're one.
Okay, so I almost forgot, I just put in 1 Persian cucumber and 3 ounces or 85 grams of red onion. Here is the colorful salad. It looks so good. I still need to add chickpeas and then some black olives and some roasted red peppers. Oh, and also some feta cheese. So the recipe has like a recipe for dressing. I don't think I'm gonna use that dressing. I will probably just add some lemon juice to it. And then throughout the week, I'll just add some of the Trader Joe's vegan dill dressing. This stuff is very, very good. It's made out of cauliflower, almond butter, garlic, cold pressed lemon juice, herbs, and shallots. It tastes very good. Even if you're not vegan, I'm not. I really like it and it's really low calorie. It's only 60 calories for 2 tablespoons. If you are a fan of dill dip, I highly recommend this.
The sky is on fire.
I'm just going to get the veggies prepped for the grill. I have a few asparagus spears left, and then I have these mixed broccoli and cauliflower veggies that I'll put in. I'll just add some olive oil and some herbs and spices, then put it in a pan for the grill, and it should be ready to go. Okay, so I took a quick break to eat some lunch. Now I am going to throw a load of laundry in the washing machine. I like to do at least one load of laundry on Sundays, especially my workout clothes, because that's pretty much what I wear all week. And then I'm gonna start the grill and we're gonna make some of that meat on the grill. Oh, and the veggies.
Still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been.
Okay, so meal prep is done. Very quick and simple. Here is the finished asparagus chopped salad, which I will top with that dill dressing throughout the week. Here's some of the veggies that I grilled, and the teriyaki skirt steak, and the pesto chicken breasts. The meat will go in sandwiches and bowls and tacos throughout the week, and the veggies and the salad will be side dishes throughout the week too.
You're not rising.
Okay, so I did a little bit of editing after I finished the meal prep stuff, and now I am heading to the gym. I'm gonna go to a yoga class. It's also a great thing to add to your Sunday setup. So I don't know if you've heard the saying, Sunday well spent brings a week of content, and that is definitely true. So I'm gonna go take a relaxing yoga class to top off the day.
When there is more in life that I want.
So that was an extremely relaxing, super nice yoga class tonight. Really needed that. I think I'm gonna make that a habit every weekend. This was the first time I've gone to that class. It's a great way to end the week. My plan is to be going to workout classes on Sundays now. I can't next weekend because I'm gonna be up north at the cabin, but my Sunday setup is not complete yet. I am working on the last part of it now. So I like to plan my week. I look at my YouTube content calendar and open up my weekly planner, and I also like to open up my Google Calendar, and it shows me all the videos that are coming up during the week. I don't have all of my calendars up here. Any appointments or meetings for work I might have, I put on the calendar for the week. Like I said in my intro video, I am scheduling out my dog walks, so I have that here. I have personal blocks where I'm not really doing anything YouTube or work related. I just kind of block out my schedule. I don't put in in like specific things that I'm doing on this calendar. I just put in like a block of like an hour, let's say a personal block, and I'll decide what I want to do during that time. So the first thing I do when I go into this calendar is I schedule in my workouts for the week, and then I schedule in my appointments and my work meetings. And then of course I have my YouTube work blocks. So let's just open up this day as an example. Here I have my morning routine. It's in my personal block, and then I have a work block from 8 to 9:30. I had a meeting that day, 9:30 to 10:30. I scheduled a dog walk here. Here was my warrior sculpt class for that day. I had a meeting for work, 1:30 to 2:30, and then I scheduled some dog walks here. And like I said, this is just a block. I figure out what I'm going to do by going into Trello and looking at my weekly planner. And I just have like a sidebar here of to-dos that I need to do, what I need to film, what I need to outline, what I need to edit, all of that. So that was just kind of a very high level overview of what I do. I'll probably go into more detail in one of my other Sunday setup videos coming up. So yeah, I am going to go in and work on scheduling out my week as much as I can, and then I think that'll be it. I've still got my load of laundry in the dryer, but when that's done, I will go grab that. I'm gonna work on editing a little bit, and that'll be it for the night. So that is my sort of easier Sunday routine this week. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.